So Marcus has been tracking the amount of rain they've received at his house while he's been home the last few days. They received 1 inch on Friday, 1 inch on Saturday, 3 inches on Sunday, and 5 inches on Monday. What are the mean and median amounts of rainfall? We're also going to talk about range too. So mean. Mean is another word for average. So what do you do when you do mean or average? So there are four numbers, four amounts of rain. So we need to add them up. 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 adds up to 10 inches of rain. But we need to divide it by the number of days. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So why we're dividing by 4? Because there are four numbers or four values. 10 divided by 4. So let's figure out what 10 divided by 4 is. How many groups of 4 goes into 10? 2 groups, which is 8. If I subtract that, the remainder is 2. Do you know how to get rid of a remainder? We don't use R2. This is not bingo. To get rid of a remainder, it's something called annexing a zero. So you put a decimal point, and then you annex a zero and bring it down, and it's 20. How many groups of 4 go into 20? 5 groups. So the average amount of rain for each day is 2 and 5/10, or 2.5 inches. So that's average. Not too much, not too little, just average. Now let's talk about our next thing, median. Median is where you put the numbers from least to greatest. 1, 1, 3, 5. And then median means the middle value. So this is what I like doing. I like circling the least, the greatest, until you can find the middle number. Oh no, there's two numbers in the middle right here. What number or value comes between these two numbers? What whole number comes between 1 and 3? It is 2. And that is the median. Another way some people would find it is they add up these two numbers up, 4, divide it by two numbers, 2, and that's how I get 2. And range. What is range? Range is highest number minus lowest number equal something called range. So it range from 1 to 5. It started at 1, 5. How far is it from 1 to 5? How many numbers does it take to get from 1 to 5? 4 numbers, because 5 minus 1 is 4. Whoops, sorry. So that's 4. So we have mean or average, where you add up the numbers and divide by how many values there are. Median, put them in order, find the middle. Range is high minus low.